baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because your girl is back with another video and your girl is back with the finger waves. So let me know if y'all feeling it today. I'm gonna give y'all a whole look. I miss my short hair, like this type of, you know, style. I was kind of tired of the inches. I just wanted something simple and just, you know, like I don't have to do much work to. So by the way, this is a wig. I did a whole like video on it because I posted a picture with the style and so many of you guys had so many questions about it. So I did a video on it, and I believe it was like a makeup tutorial too, like all in one. So I'll leave that link down below if you're interested in watching it, and so you guys can see how I styled it, where I got it from, all that good stuff that's in that video. So I'm just gonna get right into the video, get right to the point so we can greet this face. And I am using the E.L.F. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. Y'all, I really like this pencil. I really do. Like, this shit is affordable from Target, and it's been working. It's been doing wonders. I haven't been smudging on me or anything. I have already concealed my lids, and I set it with my Maybelline loose setting powder. Now that that is set and prepped, ready for the eyeshadow, we can get started. So I took out the Morphe James Charles palette. I haven't used this palette in a minute, and I'm like, it's some nice bright colors I want to use in here. So I want to take, right here it's like an orange and it's like red, so I'm gonna take that color first. Now this shade is very similar to the one I just laid down, but it's a little bit darker. Here's it right here. I'm taking this next. I just took that one here. Now I'm taking this one right here. Now they're pretty similar, like I said. Not going to lose the color that I just put down. I'm going to take that more into the crease. I'm going to go back and forth for both colors to make sure that they're blended. Taking this orange, this bright orange right here. Taking this orange right here, right on my lid. Now I'm taking the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to take the shade Big Wig. Big Wig is a purple right here. That's big wig. And I'm going to take that in the crease area. Then I'm going to jump into my lime crime. I know I'm kind of like dabbing in like 3 palettes now. I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on top of that shade I just took from the Jackie Aina palette right in the crease. Sorry you guys, I've kind of like dibble dabbed in like 3 palettes, but I had to get the color that I wanted. You know, some palettes don't have certain colors, so you know, sometimes you have to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my liquid liner. So let me tell y'all about these lashes. Y'all about to go crazy because I went in the beauty supply store and I'm like, these lashes are so fucking cute. I never put the lashes, I never put my lash link down below, and that's because I'm working on something and I be constantly saying it over and over again, like, your girl is working on something. I cannot provide you guys with the lash link yet, okay? But today I can, because these are from the beauty supply store, and I'm just in there and I'm just like, what the fuck, these are so cute. So I ended up wearing these yesterday, not in this style, but I doubled 2 pair of lashes together. I like these because they're still long and full and fluffy, and they're like spaced out. They have so many styles, and I'm just like, oh my god, these are so bomb. So I ended up doubling 2 lashes together, and they're in the style MLA 107 and MLA 103. Y'all, I just been obsessing over the E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation, and it runs for about $6 at Ulta. If you don't got this yet, girl, you crazy. Okay, it's all free. It's a satin velvety finish. Like, this shit is the bomb. Like, for real. You're gonna find your shade too, because they come in so many different shades. But first, I'm going to conceal under my eyes with the Maybelline Dark Eraser Age Rewind Concealer, and I have it in caramel. I'm going to just take it under my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out and then apply my foundation. So now I'm taking the same concealer but in a different shade, and this one is in golden. Last concealer, last I'm only taking a little bit of under my eye. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Conceal, and Pecan is the shade, and I'm taking that just right there and right here. That's it, I promise. That's it for concealer. I'm gonna blend this out, and then we can start setting the concealer. You guys know I like a bright under eye, And some people hate bright under eyes, like they don't care for like this. But I don't know if I'm gonna ever get tired of my bright under eye routine. Like, this is something that I really like, and I feel like it stands out. It makes just my makeup pop even more, you know what I mean? So it's just a preference that I like to do. To set the remaining of my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poorless. This is in Coconut 355 is the shade, and I'm just going to set the remaining of my face. For my contour, I'm taking the Morphe 39A Dare to Create Artistry palette, and I love taking contour shades from here. So I'm gonna take this shade right here as my contour. Alright, so I'm taking my favorite blush palette. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette by Juvia Place, and I'm taking this shade here as my transition, God, as my blush. Morphe Setting Mist. Oh child, where's my fan? Hold on, real quick. I gotta prepare myself for this shit. I can't find my fan, and it's really upsetting me that I can't find it. So I'm just gonna have to spray. I'm gonna have to just fan myself with the eyelash package. I'm gonna use the Milani. This is called Shimmering Face Palette. So it's like so many different highlighters in one. So you got some rose gold, some gold, some champagne, silvers, all of that and above in here. So I really like this a lot. I got this from Ulta, and it's such a cute packaging. It's just so cute. And I'm just gonna take wherever I feel. There's a lot of highlights in here, so I'm just take whatever I feel that can go with this look. For lips, I'm using my NYX Matte Lip Liner, and this is in Cold Brew. And then I'm going to top it off with the NYX Lingerie Push Up. I talked about this in one of my newest tutorials, my recent tutorials. And this is in, what I got this in? Lace Detail. I love it so much. It's like so nice. It's just like a stick, and it just pushes up and pushes down. I love it. And it's a matte finish. last but not least, I'm going to top it over with the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit, and this is in Send Nudes. This has recently been one of my favorites. That basically wraps it up for this entire look. I hope you all really enjoyed it. It was super easy. Like, this eyeshadow look is super easy. Still like beats. You just gotta make sure that you just take your time and blend with the shadows, and you can do it. If you have these colors in your eyeshadow palettes, you can definitely do this look. You do not need the same eyeshadow palettes that I have. It's okay if you don't. Just make sure that, you know, like, but if you do have some palettes and you have some similar colors, then of course you can recreate this look. If you do, let me know, tag me, you know, DM me pictures. Of course, I would love to repost. When you guys do tag me and share on your story, I always share back. So make sure you do it. I love when you guys recreate the looks. It just makes my day. And of course, I'm going to show love back if you guys recreate my looks. Now, if you tag me and I didn't repost it before, I apologize. It's not intentionally. I try to give back to everybody because my DM be kind of flowing. So I just try to give back to as you guys as much as possible. I love you all so much, and I really appreciate you guys for, you know, watching my videos and commenting. And if you don't comment and you just, you know, watch and you like and things like that, I still love you, and I just love that the fact that you support me. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching and you like what you see and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe and become one of my baby dolls. And yeah, that wraps it up for this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah.